In step 2 of the 6-step golf swing process, we begin to hinge the club and work the arms a little bit more in the swing. There's not much else that moves, just the hands, the wrists, and the arms, and you'll start to see this club taking shape in the backswing. So, if we go ahead and just get started at address and then move the club to step 1. So step 2, from here what we do is we start to hinge the golf club. We start to use our hands and wrists to get the club to point upwards towards the sky. And even though the club's pointing up towards the sky, the left arm is pretty straight. It's not locked straight. A lot of people get confused with that. It doesn't need to be locked straight. Comfortably straight, and it's pointing. If you imagine a line pointing out of my left arm, it's pointing towards the ground. It's not parallel. It's pointing towards the ground. At that point, we should see roughly about a 90-degree angle between the left arm and the club face. Club pointing up to the sky. The rest of my body hasn't really moved a whole lot. It's really just the club, my hands, my wrists, my arms. Nothing else has really moved. My head's very quiet, my torso, my hips, my lower body is still very quiet. Nothing else has really moved. And this is just the hands are hinging this way and the arms are starting to lift a little bit. So we're combining those two moves with the hands and wrists setting the club and the arms rising. We're really just combining those two movements in the golf swing from step 1. So the hands start to hinge and the arms start to rise. And there we go, step 2 right there. And you'll see that this right elbow folds nicely into the side, which many golfers look to try and achieve. That happens as a byproduct of getting in to the right step 2.